I don't know why Apple makes it so hard, but if you want to install San Francisco on a Windows computer, you got to do a couple things. So I'll show you here. I got San Francisco, so I'll just go ahead and download it. And you're going to need 7-zip or WinRAR or something you can extract the file with. But I'll show you once my file downloads. So here's the thing. It's a DMG file. You probably already noticed that. And there's not much you can do with it unless you take 7-zip and then go extract here. And so that will root out this folder. But if you make it this far, you'll notice that's not it either. There's no fonts here. So what you got to do is go to this SF Pro Fonts package folder. Same thing, 7-zip, extract here. And then one more time, go into that. Actually, it'll be a couple more times. But in the package folder, we're going to go to the payload folder and go again, 7-zip, extract here. And then that's going to open another version of this folder where I will go 7-zip, extract here. And finally, in the library folder, we will have fonts. And here's all of our stuff we can download. I don't know why Apple does that, but if you want the fonts on your computer, that's how you get them. So hope that helps.